بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. عن أبي قتادة رضي الله تعالى عنه قال أنه سئل رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم عن صوم يوم الاثنين. Abu Qatada radiallahu ta'ala anhu reported that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was asked about fasting on Mondays. فقال ذلك يوم ولدت فيه. And the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, that is the day on which I was born. وفيه أنزل علي, and the day on which I received revelation. So dear Muslim sister and brothers, we should fast on this day. If we want to celebrate this day, it is the right way to celebrate this day from Quran and Sunnah. May Allah bless us and give us tawfiq, barakah and rahmah, and give us tawfiq to perform good deeds, and we seek Allah His protection from devil and evil deeds.